Today we're unboxing the new iPad Pro with the powerful M4 chip. Let's take a closer look at what comes in the box, explore its features, test its performance, and even draw a little. Interestingly, the iconic Apple stickers are no longer included in the box with the iPad Pro. However, you can request them at the Apple Store during your purchase. On the iPad box, we can spot the hidden word, Pro. Each Apple Pencil box is unique with a custom design in 5 different variations, and you never know which one will be yours. New iPad Pro is available in 2 classic colors, silver and space black, which give a clean yet stylish look to your device. At first glance, this iPad impresses with its thin and lightweight design. The 13-inch iPad Pro is the thinnest product offered by Apple, with a thickness of just 5.1 millimeters, providing a sleek and portable design without compromising performance. Included in the box, you'll find a charging adapter and a matching cable in the same color as the device. The power of the charger adapter is 20 watts, ensuring fast charging for your device. The USB-C cable included with the iPad Pro feels very comfortable to the touch, thanks to its textured surface and high-quality materials. It offers a smooth and pleasant feel, ensuring a comfortable and reliable experience. The new Apple Pencil Pro supports Find My, allowing it to be tracked alongside other devices in the Find My app, and it's only compatible with M2 iPad Air and M4 iPad Pro models. Apple Pencil Pro offers seamless connectivity with magnetic charging and automatic pairing with the iPad. Simply attach it to the side of the iPad and it instantly connects and begins charging. The Apple Pencil Pro introduces advanced functions like squeeze gesture, which brings up palettes for tool customization. Barrel roll offers precise control, mimicking real-world drawing with tilt sensitivity. It also includes haptic feedback for tactile responses during gestures and tool usage. Additionally, it features existing capabilities like hover, tilt sensitivity, pressure sensitivity, and double tap for easy tool switching. This iPad supports new Apple Intelligence features, such as image generation, which can assist with everyday tasks and make your work simpler and more efficient. With Apple Pencil Pro, you can effortlessly write text, which is then converted into printed letters. This feature is especially useful for note-taking and creating polished documents directly on your iPad. You can also remove text by simply crossing it out. Now, let's test its performance by launching a few games to see how it handles more demanding tasks. This iPad is equipped with a powerful chip that delivers excellent performance for all your tasks. Thanks to its great processing power, it effortlessly handles resource-intensive tasks, whether it's creating complex graphics, professional video editing, or running the most demanding games. Additionally, the chip provides fast multitasking, allowing you to switch between apps easily without sacrificing speed or performance. Even when running multiple applications simultaneously, the device continues to operate smoothly and efficiently. This iPad supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing incredibly smooth visuals in games. With a high refresh rate, movements become sharper and more natural, delivering an immersive gaming experience. Additionally, HDR, high dynamic range, enhances brightness and contrast, making colors more vibrant and details more refined. In games, this translates to deeper shadows, vibrant highlights, and a more realistic image, creating a sense of presence in the virtual world. This iPad supports console games and handles them exceptionally well, providing high-quality graphics and smooth gameplay. With its powerful chip, the graphics look stunning. Detailed textures, sharp visuals, and vibrant colors create an impressive visual experience. All of this remains portable and is literally at your fingertips.
Where is your
This device is equipped with powerful cameras that deliver stunning results in photography and video recording. The main camera captures in 4K, ensuring clarity and rich detail, while the built-in stabilization keeps the image smooth even when shooting in motion. The front camera is perfect for video calls, supporting center stage, which always keeps you centered and in focus with your conversation partner. Additionally, the iPad features high-quality microphones that provide clear and detailed audio, as well as a LiDAR scanner for fast and precise 3D modeling and document scanning. These features make this iPad an ideal tool for creative tasks and professional use. The world's most advanced display, the new Ultra Retina XDR display introduces groundbreaking tandem OLED technology. With extreme brightness, stunning contrast, and advanced features like ProMotion, HDR, and True Tone, it delivers an exceptional visual experience. The new iPad Pro, with its advanced features and refreshed design, leaves an incredible impression. From its powerful display and performance to innovative capabilities for creativity and productivity, this iPad is ready to meet all your needs. To unlock its full potential, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you won't miss any upcoming videos.